Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Nerdwallet account. Are you ready to take control of your money with Nerdwallet? Here's how you can create your account and start building your financial future today. First, open your browser and go to nerdwallet.com. And once you're there, in the top right corner, click on sign up. You're going to be prompted to enter your email address as well as create a password and confirm your email. You can also sign up with your Google or Apple ID for a quicker process. Once you choose your preferred method, follow the prompts and accept Nerdwallet's terms and privacy policy. After that, you're going to be asked to verify your email address. Just open your inbox, find the confirmation email from Nerdwallet, and click the link to activate your account. Once verified, Nerdwallet will guide you through a short setup process, asking you to link your financial accounts, set up your financial goals, and customize your dashboard based on what matters most to you, whether that's credit, savings, debt, or investments. And that's it. You're now ready to track your finances, boost your credit, and reach your money goals all in one place. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more NerdWallet tutorials that help you master your money.